Hello, welcome to part 3 of writing equations. This is finding the equations for parallel and perpendicular lines. So we've identified what they look like, and we know the slope, how to find the slope of them. Now we're going to write equations for perpendicular and parallel lines. For part A, it says find the equation of the line that passes through the point 5, 6. So they want parallel to this line with these points. So we're going to use y equals mx plus b again. But we're going to plug given points and the slope. And then we're going to solve for b. So this is exactly like a concept we've already learned. We're just applying it to parallel and perpendicular lines. So since I know my slope, it's the parallel, so it's going to be the same. So we just need to mark that it's same. It's going to be, my slope for this equation is going to be negative 5/6. Excuse me, negative 5/3. And we'll mark that this is part A because this is going to take up some space. So we'll do A and then B. So for part A, I know that y, I'm going to plug them into y equals mx plus b. So y is 6 equals negative 5/3 times 5 plus b. This is 6 equals negative 25 over 3 plus b. I need to add 25 over 3 to both sides. I need this 6 to be over 3 somehow. So I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 3, which gives me 18 over 3. Now I add them together. And my answer is 47 over 3. So my new equation for part A is going to be y equals negative 5/3 x plus 47 over 3. Let's look at part B. We want perpendicular, which is opposite inverse. So my slope is going to be 3 over 5. So to plug my y equals mx plus b in, I'm going to have 6 equals 3 over 5 times 5 plus b. I'm going to multiply these cancel, so I'm left with 6 equals 3 plus b. Subtract 3 from both sides, b equals 3. So for this equation, for part B, my new equation is y equals 3/5 x plus 3. So remember to make sure you find your correct slope and plug the y and the x in the correct order, solve for b, and then rewrite your equation. Let's look at part B real quick. It says consider the line 9x plus 6y equals negative 6. Find the equation that's perpendicular, so the opposite inverse, and parallel, so the same. Slope. Remember, these are referencing slopes. Find the equation of the line that is perpendicular and passes through the point 5, negative 3, and find the line that is parallel that passes through the point 5, negative 3. So first we need y equals mx plus b. That's the first part. So I need to make 9x I need 9x plus 6y equals negative 6 to be y equals mx plus b. So, first part, is 9x plus 6y equals negative 6. I need to subtract 9x. Six y equals negative 9x minus 6 divided by 6 on all sides. Y equals negative 3 halves x minus 1. So I'm going to help you find your slopes here, and then I'm going to let you write the equations on your own. So m for the opposite inverse is going to be 2/3. M for the parallel line, same line, is going to be negative 3 halves. So your directions now are to go write these equations. So go ahead and use this information to write the equations for parallel or perpendicular and parallel lines. Good luck.